Today I'm gonna share with you all an amazing business opportunity. A business with which you can make all your dreams come true. A business which can be done by a student or a housewife or even an employee. Anybody can do this business. You can also do part-time and earn that extra income to be successful. So what is this business all about? This is a business not only followed in India but also followed across several countries and is running successfully from past 100 years. It is a billion-dollar industry which has given several millionaires to the country every year. And before I tell you how does this work, let's get onto some basic concepts. You can see a photograph of a person on your screen. His name is Robert Kiyosaki. He is an author also known as financial guru. He has written a book, Rich Dad and Poor Dad, whose 40 million copies have been already sold across the world. In this book, he has explained various ways of earning income and also told that there are 4 types of people earning income: employee, self-employed, businessman, and investor. Considering these 4 categories, 95% of the population are employed and self-employed, and only 5% of the population are businessmen and investors. But when it comes to their earning, employee and self-employed category people earn only 5% of the income, whereas businessmen and investor category people earn 95% of the income. This is because employee and self-employed category people put individual effort. They have limited source of income and they get income only when they work and hence are called active income earners. Whereas businessmen and investor category people, they believe in team effort. They work along with the team to get unlimited income, and at certain point of life there might be chances even if they don't work, then they'll be getting unlimited income and are called passive income earners. Dear friends, now I'm going to reveal the name of that company which is giving us all a wonderful opportunity to earn passive income without any investment. And the name of the company is Winfinite. The company started in 15th April 2020. The CEOs of the company are Mr. J. Manjunath and Mr. Mahesh Degala. These 2 wonderful leaders have 18 years plus experience in direct selling industry. Company has a great vision of expanding its business to 15 various states in India in next 2 to 3 months. Before I explain you the business model of Winfinite, let us see the difference between traditional marketing and direct selling. In traditional marketing, let's consider a product worth ₹100. The consumer usually buys it from retailer. Retailer buys the same product from wholesaler. Wholesaler buys the same product from distributors, and distributor buys the same product from CNF agent, and CNF agents buy the same product from the company, where the same product was manufactured around 28 rupees approx with their profit. This happens because there are a lot of people that come in between company and consumer who take their commission, including advertisements and brand ambassadors. Normally, every time we buy any product, we are paying approximately 72% of the money for these people. In direct marketing, if a consumer buys a product worth ₹100, he buys it directly from the company. Here also the product gets manufactured around 28 rupees approx with their profit. But as there are no middlemen between company and consumer, the company distributes this 72% money back to you. Winfinite's business module works on the same theory. So what do you need to do to earn this 72% income? Simple, change your store. On an average, a family buys all the essential FMCG products every month. So instead of buying it from other store, you need to buy it from Winfinite store. When you are satisfied and happy with your purchase, you can then recommend it to your friends, family, colleagues, etc. Just like how you recommend a good movie to your friends and ask them to watch it. Slowly, people will start using Winfinite products and you'll start getting income. And as your network of people starts increasing, your income also increases. The company gives you up to 72% payout with total 8 types of income, which I will be discussing on my next video. So if you like this presentation, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on that bell icon next to it to get latest updates on Winfinite. If you want to join Winfinite, contact us on the numbers given below in description box. Thank you so much.